I want to show you this tower surge protector that I got. It's the latest, greatest thing, maybe. It is for me. I love it. I got one of these at Christmas. I've been hunting. I was waiting for them to go down in price after Christmas. Got this again. I'm going to be buying more. This is my favorite color, and I'm going to tell you about it. These two switches on top are power switches. They will turn, they just off and on. That when they're up, they're off. When they're down, they're on. This one runs these two. This one runs these two. On this side where the USB happens to be, this switch runs it. You push it, now it's on. You see that this lit up the charging. And if I turn the switch off again, it's not charging. So now we've got power. There are two different amperages on the USB port. The top two are for charging pads. They get a higher 5 volts, and the lower ones are for phones. Not to say that you can't plug a phone into the top. It will charge, but it's safer to plug it in below where it won't overamp. If you're plugging in 4, they're going to run a little bit slower. Sorry about the phone. I'm going to ignore it. There are 8 plugs on here, and 4 of them are run by this side, as well as the USB, and the other 4 are run by this one. I have some Christmas lights here right now, and I'm going to plug it into this side with one hand, which is not my ideal. Well, sorry about that, but these lights are not on because the button was not on. Just like that. And this is a surge protector. You can actually turn the other switch off when I was plugging that in. Right here on the bottom is the reset button. If anything should happen and you go off, you push the button and reset. It's tested for 2,500 watts, and if you go over that, it's gonna pop. I love this. Compare it to this guy. Come on, really? Thanks for listening.